Hi YouTube, I am doing Ratchet Words Challenge, I think that's what it's called. Okay, that was challenged to me by Isabella Spellheart. Pretty much that person. Pretty much what I have to do is had to look up 15 words that are weird, have weird meanings. Stop that. Have weird meanings to them and pretty much tell you what they mean. The words will probably come up here, except for people who don't have.
Actually, they'll be right here.
Okay, yeah, there. Unless you're using a phone to watch this, then I'm very sorry.
Yeah, sorry, I don't know how to fix it yet.
Alright, first word is atom. Can refer to the pill form of ecstasy and jellies. That is just weird. Why not just say ecstasy? What the fuck? Why use atom? That's someone's name.
You almost hit me in the face. Oh, come on, dude. I have makeup on. Which I got all over your shoulder.
Alright, let me make the video. Diggity dink. Quite bad, highly offensive behavior. Why not say they're being bad?
I don't know.
Leslie! Stop it! Strange. You would think that's something weird, right? No. Strange. Sex outside your current relationship. Hey, I'm gonna go out and get me some strange tonight. What the fuck? No.
Ow!
Sorry.
Keep rolling. Don't stop the video. Ow, my eye.
Ass and grass. I don't even know how to try to explain that. An expression foretelling a person's doom or demise.
You hit me in the eye.
Butterface. When you see a chick with an awesome body but her face is nasty. No, not someone who has butter all over their face.
You hit me in the eye.
Beer dick. I'm not going to try to explain that. This is what most guys get after a good night of drinking. They tend to fuck anything with a pussy while experiencing beer dick. Gas bag. You would think someone who just passed gas or something. That really smells. No, a person who talks too much.
Hold that thought. Continue.
Dag. An unfashionable or socially awkward person. Hooskow. Jail or prison. Why not just say jail or prison? Why use a word that most people don't understand? Canoodle. Canoodle. To hug and kiss. Why not just say hugging and kissing? Why add a bigger word to it? Stupid phone, quit doing that.
Doing what?
I keep doing like this, and it keeps going frickin' that.
Just leave it like that.
I talk with my hands, if you don't realize.
Oh, I realize.
Quit it.
Aww.
Bumper shoot. An umbrella. Why use a big word for umbrella? Umbrella is shorter.
Ow. I'm being abused.
I dare you guys to try this. No, I'm kidding. Don't try this. Don't try this.
Try what?
Suicide wank. When you're having a wank just before you blow your load, shout mom or dad and try to finish before they get to your room. Yeah, don't do that. You're most likely gonna get caught. I don't think they understood that.
I repeat, what the fuck? Happy?
Okay, I got this one from Urban Dictionaries. Herpes. You all know what herpes is, but this definition is awesome. Something all the cool kids in high school have. Sorry. If you got it for a different reason, for a reason we don't know, and worse reason, then I'm sorry. It's not to offend anybody. It's just a comical video. Fucking phone.
It's a side.
I knew that.
No, you didn't, and it's called this button for a reason.
Murked.
Oh.
Murked has several definitions and can mean anything from being drunk, high, tackled, knocked out, and even if you just had great sex. And yes, them be fighting words. This video is called Ratchet Word Challenge. Ratchet. Ratchet is when someone is rude, loud, or obnoxious. It could also be used to describe someone who is acting like a diva. And last, R-bomb. This is tech lingo exclusively. An R-bomb is when someone receives and reads a message on BlackBerry's messenger system, but doesn't respond. Hey, we'd be cheese too. I don't get it. Do you guys get it?
Get what?
R-bomb.
This tech lingo exclusive. This is technically. This is tech lingo exclusively. An R-bomb is when someone receives and reads a message on BlackBerry's messenger system, BBM, but does not respond. Hey, would be choose to what? So basically, like, if someone, like, has a message from someone and they don't respond, an R-bomb is, like, the way someone feels to be not being answered to. I don't know.
But yeah, that's pretty much the words. I did the challenge. I spent too much fucking time doing this because of her. Went on many sites because of this thing, that thing, about to jab in the eye.
Jab me in the eye.
So, like, subscribe, share the video, and watch for more jazz hands. I don't know. Bye.